my loved ones. How are you? It's your girl CC. I'm just me. Coming at you with another banger, y'all. Today we got Pernell bread. I had a steak and white cheese sandwich. I have a turkey BLT. I have some bread. I have some broccoli and cheddar soup and a salad. And my brother, he put in salt on his pepper. I'm gonna put pepper.
Pepper is mandatory for any soup, really.
Right. But he tasted. He said he wasn't wild.
No, wasn't too impressed, but I'm sure you can customize everything to your liking.
Give me a little.
Yeah. And I usually don't add salt or much of this to my food, but yeah.
Ain't that much broccoli in there. This would have been broccoli soup.
I can tell you right now, what's the name got them beat? Campbell's. What's the one? The Chipotle chowder joint. Campbell's broccoli cheddar joint is decent, so I wouldn't even say it's too much better than that.
All right.
And their bread is bullshit. I'm just gonna say. I was expecting.
Can you warm this up for me? Yeah, we're gonna have to warm that. It's not even hot. At least if you're gonna give me bread with it, have my stuff fire.
Yeah,
like
top.
My top. Here you go. Yeah, I might as well settle in on.
Yeah,
I got
salad
3
looks
different
like it's
kinds
gonna
of
be the
sauce.
best.
I hope so. Let me taste.
You can't mess up a salad. It is what it is.
I might need this to dip in something else. That is really good. It comes with this green salad. Okay, while that's warming up, come and taste this with some bread.
Oh my god, and their bread is so disappointing. Okay.
This is my favorite one. Okay, let me get some bread and taste it.
That's good.
This is my favorite one right here. Now this would go in a salad, y'all, but
That's desserty. That's fruit. Tastes like good fruit. What kind of dressing is that? They're French?
Basil, apple cider vinegar.
Apple cider vinegar.
I got like 3. I don't even remember what kind. I just started picking. They said I get 5. So I was like, man, they sauces, they should be a sauce place. So the sauces are good.
They're like a lunch place, it seems like. A great place for lunch. That's about it.
This spoon are always messing me up. Okay, so I'm gonna throw this on top later. No, I'm definitely a bread lover.
Yeah, that's why I was disappointed.
I used to work at Safeway, and Safeway bread is better than this. We make all fresh. So this on the sandwich. I ain't got no lettuce, no
The
tomato.
texture is off a little bit.
Look, y'all, it's just
A lot of their textures.
it ain't got nothing.
It's a lunch sandwich.
It's giving me not to order from there again. That's what it's giving me, y'all. Like, I won't be ordering from there again. Vibes. I don't know, because when I used to work in Towson, and I used to go to Pernell Bread, it used to be really good. I mean, I guess when you go there, you get to do your own.
Somebody getting leaned on.
I'm at home.
Lean on me.
My brother got the broccoli soup with a turkey bacon club.
I honestly was looking for any other soup, but that's kind of what they had. Chicken noodle and the broccoli. Everything else was something completely different. They had a turkey chili.
The best thing is they salad.
And a macaroni and cheese.
That salad's off the chain.
I knew that. The salad looked off the chain. I mean, and you can't mess up a salad when you got good dressing.
Ooh, better. It's hot now.
Yeah.
See, now, when I tell you, when you get something hot, but you be wanting to taste the broccoli pieces. It's not that cheesy. Let me dip. This look like it's something that you could dip some sauce in.
Exactly. That's why I was disappointed with their bread. Because their bread could have been so much better.
We got some cheese in there. I don't know what to say about them.
Yep. It's just broccoli cheddar soup. So it's not going to be too cheesy.
But they could have gave me some broccoli chunks.
Yeah, like I said, this reminds me of a toned down Boston Market. No, Boston Market wouldn't do this.
Boston Market don't sell sandwiches.
Yeah, what?
I found one. Yeah. They have meals, macaroni and cheese.
Yeah, they sell that soup much better. And Campbell's does too. But Boston Market, I do believe they sell sandwiches or some panini. Which I thought Panera Bread had paninis.
Let's put this up there.
But they don't have paninis?
Panera Bread got paninis. I ain't seen none on the left. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. That's okay. It's this right here. I like that it's hot now, but other than that, I know we gotta have some shredded cheese in there. Pass me some shredded cheese. No, I can't. I have to enjoy my life. If I'm gonna eat, I'm gonna have to enjoy it. Give me some shredded cheese. It's so loose.
Yeah, their base stuff is not that good.
Yeah. Panera Bread definitely fell off. It definitely fell off.
Were they on?
Yeah. About like five years, like.
Because I think this is what they sell. I think this is
when I went to when I used to work at Giant, not Safeway. Panera Bread used to be so good. This is average.
At best.
Not even, yeah, I'm gonna say not even average. Just as like, get your stuff in. Going about the business.
Yeah, this just was an insult. This was an insult. I will never.
Yeah, he got the bowl, y'all.
I didn't know what it was. She should have told me because I've never eaten from Panera Bread.
Look at it. It's so cute, though.
It's cute, but I did not know what that was.
And
I like the idea, but their bread is,
But you can still use it.
Yes, that's why I'm keeping it. I am keeping it.
Broccoli, we got cheese.
I can do stuff with this. I put some peppers, red peppers, some vegetables. I could just make a vegetable stir fry, put it in there.
Right.
And that would be better than this, because this is crazy. It could have been somewhat edible.
They definitely slacking. Big time.
And their bread textures are not, I don't like their textures.
I like them. I mean, maybe because it's bread and it's hard.
Yeah, but that's not the best texture in the world. Like,
Yeah, I don't know.
It's a little firm.
Yeah, they got
firm.
the pandemic. The pandemic must be hitting them hard. Yeah, pandemic must be hitting them hard because, baby, I ain't gonna add a little bit more cheese in there. Add a little chunks of broccoli.
Some butter and some herbs on your bread or food. Because I don't think they had any seasonings to that soup.
I know it wasn't crowded.
I know, not no salt, pepper, herbs. But the dressings, yeah.
At this point, hospital food tastes a little bit better than that.
Yeah.
But, y'all, they can always get, I ain't trying this, but they can always get themselves together. You know, they can get themselves back together, but...
We tried many different things on their menu.
Well, we did. I thought I was going to have me a little decent little meal.
And I'm a bread fiend. I love bread. So I was offended when I found out Panera bread is not good. Like, it's ugh.
Maybe it's the people that are working there or something.
I thought you could eat the bread alone. Like, you don't even need the stuff to come with it.
Right. I like this bread. This the baguette. It's supposed to be like this. I do like the baguette. But it could have been way more fresher.
Yeah. Yeah, you can tell the texture's tough.
And when it come out the oven, you put a dust that little. I used to work in bakery.
Yeah, it doesn't have flavor. That's another thing. It's not just the texture, but the flavor. It doesn't taste buttery or herbs or anything.
Because they were supposed to, not even buttery, because on baguette you don't put none. But when you yeast in it, you're supposed to put the salt. And then you. So when you bake it, it can have a little oomph in it. And you don't got that, y'all. I ain't gonna eat one of them sandwiches, y'all. I'm gonna try it one more time in the sauce. But yeah. This was about things fail. Help me. I ain't gonna eat no more of that. That's terrible. They ain't even put no lettuce on there, no tomatoes, none of that. They just, I don't know. I'm just gonna eat. I'm just gonna, stick with the, raw soup. And this don't even have no broccoli in it. It's very watered down. This is like one of my roasts. This is a disappointing meal or disappointing mukbang. I don't even want this because it's not even. It's like so watered down. I'm gonna sit that right there, y'all. Now, baby, these are good. this little basil sauce. One little green sauce on it. Now, I ate the bread, but these sandwiches are, I don't even want to say it, they nasty.
How is it?
Good.
It looks like you're enjoying yourself. Oh, yeah, that looks like you're enjoying. Okay, you okay? You
I'm okay.
okay?
One thing I cannot do, y'all, is fake some good food, some nasty food. We just cannot fake it at all. It's crazy because I was gonna get my favorite Chipotle. I should have got it. Now I'm kind of mad at them because I didn't get Chipotle. This basil. Now this their sauce, they little sauces for a salad. Bust them. They should be a salad. I mean sauce store. Not no sandwich. Not no shrimp. Not no soup neither. They fell off. I don't even know whether to blame the pandemic. But their salad was busting. Now this ain't no Chick-fil-A salad now. Oh, I can make this salad at home. But it's good. It's busting. Ooh. Yeah, y'all, that's all I'm gonna be rhyming on. It's this. Well, this will be a quick video. You know, one thing about this though is I don't know about this, but it was average sandwich. It was an average salad. The sauces was phenomenal. I do see if I can turn this over and eat a piece of this spread. Because the bread ain't that bread bad. This is the other stuff. And they got some kind of mustard sauce. Mustard. Okay, y'all. This will be, let me let y'all know because this video was not given what it was supposed to give.
You want to enjoy their rewards program? They got Panera rewards.
No. Was they giving free food away?
Yes.
Ugh. I see why.
You know. People that give away free food, you already know. Oh, yeah. Nah, bro.
I ain't gonna say Panera bread is nasty because some Panera bread probably different than the other one. This was not hitting though. Panera Bread, if you see this, that don't mean you can't work with me though. I sponsor you once y'all get better. So had me up there in that kitchen whooping up or something. I got you. If y'all need help, say you need help.
They know they could have done better on that soup.
They could have been. Yo, that soup, it was just.
Like,
the only thing y'all needed with the soup, a little salt,
flavor.
a little pepper, a little bit more cheddar.
And no broccoli.
And broccoli. Broccoli. I don't see how you messed up. I can't even blame your employees at this point. But still, if you see this, you want to work with me, want me to be up in that kitchen chefing up, you're going to have to pay me, though. But this is a bad review. Like, the salad was, I could have made it at home. I got a lot of salads videos, though, that I made salads at home, and my salads look at banging. So, Panera Bread, go look on my channel if y'all watching it. Anybody that work at Panera Bread, go look on my channel. Y'all see some salads sandwich videos that I made myself. And hit me up, Panera Bread. Talk to your managers, talk to your CEO, talk whatever. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, leave your comments below. I love you. I miss you. Don't forget to binge watch your girl channel and be blessed.